Invention, innovation, and progress are ideas that quietly reshape the world during a powerful turning point known as the Industrial Revolution.
Before this era, nearly everything people used was made by hand inside homes or small local workshops.
Each item required skill, patience, and long hours of careful manual labor.
Production was limited by how fast a person could work, making growth slow and costly. As demand increased, people began searching for ways to work faster and more efficiently. New machines were designed to speed up production and reduce the limits of human labor.
This transformation began in Britain between the 1760s and the 1840s.
This period became known as the First Industrial Revolution. Manufacturing replaced individual handcraft by producing goods with large machines. The textile industry changed dramatically, with machines that spun fiber far faster than before. Inventions allowed yarn to be produced quickly and on a much larger scale. What once took hours of labor could now be done in minutes. At the same time, improvements in iron production created stronger and more reliable materials. These advances helped expand metal industries and support larger machines.
Another powerful breakthrough arrived through the rise of steam power.
Innovators refined steam engines, turning steam into a powerful new source of energy. Steam power allowed factories to operate faster and more consistently than ever before. Production increased dramatically as machines replaced many manual tasks.
Steam energy also transformed transportation across rivers and oceans.
Travel became faster as steam-powered locomotives connected distant regions. Distances that once felt vast suddenly became easier to cross.
Britain initially tried to protect its industrial knowledge to maintain an economic advantage.
However, industrial ideas gradually spread beyond Britain.
These ideas eventually crossed the Atlantic to North America. In 1793, a textile mill was established in the United States using industrial methods. This moment helped spark industrial growth in America.
Factories soon spread across northern cities, centralizing production.
Factories increased efficiency, but also changed the nature of work. Work became longer, more structured, and physically demanding.
As industry expanded, towns rapidly grew into crowded cities.
Rapid urban growth created crowded living conditions and serious challenges for daily life. Cities struggled with pollution, poor sanitation, and unsafe environments.
Working conditions inside factories were often harsh and dangerous.
Long hours and limited protections were common for many industrial workers. Accidents and injuries were frequent risks of industrial labor.
Industrial innovation also transformed agriculture.
New farming machines increased food production while reducing manual labor.
transportation networks expanded through railroads, canals, and roads.
Travel and trade accelerated, connecting distant regions more closely.
Communication advanced as messages could travel quickly over long distances.
Later innovations made direct voice communication possible.
As challenges became clear, people began organizing to demand change.
These efforts helped improve working conditions and raise awareness.
The Industrial Revolution reshaped nearly every part of daily life. Its influence continues to shape the world we live in today.